Most people write the letter A like this. Simple, basic, nothing special. But let me show you something better. With just 3 simple strokes, you can turn a normal letter into stylish calligraphy. The real secret is controlling the angle of the marker. Thin strokes use lighter pressure. Thick strokes use more pressure, with a flatter marker angle. That's what gives calligraphy that clean and satisfying look. First, start with a soft upward curve. Keep the cut marker slightly tilted so the line stays smooth and thin. Now for the second stroke. This is the part where the letter starts coming alive. Add a little more pressure here to create that bold effect. And finally, the third stroke, a smooth finishing line to complete the style. And honestly, it only looks difficult. Once you understand the strokes, it becomes surprisingly simple. Save this video and try it yourself.